Hi, for the first time I bought AirPods from Brainwavz, and this is sheepskin AirPod cushions, which cost over $30 with shipping. They came in a cool pouch, and the pods themselves feel soft and nice to the touch. However, a closer look, I'm not entirely sure. They're really sheepskin. For those of you who have used Brainwavz leather AirPods, how long do they last? Are they worth the price? I don't have any personal experience with them, so I will be very happy to hear some information from whose have been used these AirPods. I found some pictures on Google that these AirPods might not be 100% leather. I will see how these AirPods hold up over time. Until now, I've been using standard AirPods from Amazon or Aliexpress, which are typically made of fake leather, aka dermatine. They usually last a couple of years, and for just a few dollars you can easily replace them, so I really appreciate hearing your thoughts on cheap leather AirPods versus Brainwavz sheepskin pods. I hope this opens up some discussion. Thanks.